Hello all. Today we shall be discussing the code behind the process of merging in the process of merge sort, and how two sorted subarrays are merged to form a single sorted array. That is the code of merge process. I say that there are two sorted subarrays. This one is individually sorted, this one is individually sorted. Now we have to merge so that the overall array is sorted. So what is the scenario? P is the index referring the left index of the left part. Q is the index referring the right portion, rightmost element of the first part. Q plus 1, what will be Q plus 1? It will be the first value of the right portion. And what is R referring? It is the index of the last value of the second part. Now if I say that what will be the number of values in the left portion? Can I say that right index is Q, left index is P, then the number of values will be how many? Q minus P plus 1. Similarly, if N2 is the number of values in the right subarray, what will be N2? Index of the right end, that is R, minus index of the left end, that is Q plus 1 plus 1. So what will N2 come out to be? It will be R minus Q. So what we are doing, we have saved the number of values in the left part into the variable named N1, the number of values in the second part R and to the variable named N2. Now what we will be doing? We shall be copying. This is the array A, that is the original array that is sorted. This is the subarray L, that is the temporary storage we have taken into picture to store the left part. This is the temporary array that we have taken to store the right part. So we shall be copying the left part into the array named L, and similarly the right part of the array A into the subarray named R. That is what we are doing in the next few lines. We say that let L1, N1 plus 1. What is N1? The number of values in the left part. What is N2? That is the number of values in the R part. What is plus 1 taken up for? Because we are terminating, we are adding one of the values that has a very large value, in which we have drawn over here, that is infinity. That is logically it is very large value. For that we have taken up another value for which we are taking one more space, that is plus 1. N1 plus 1 and N2 plus 1, we have taken L and R as two new arrays. Now what we shall be doing? We shall be copying the values from A into L1 and from A into R. Fine. Now from line number 4 and 5, these are copying the values from A to L. How many values are to be copied? N1 values are to be copied. So loop is from I equal to 1 to N1, and what is the starting index of A? That is P. So the P plus I minus 1, this value of A will be equal to the value Li of the array L. Similarly, the value while copying the value from A to R, the index is starting from how much? That is Q. Okay? Because it is the first value of the first index is Q plus 1. So we say that the first value will be Q plus 1, and that will be AQ plus 1 will be copied to R1. AQ plus 2 will be copied to R2. And this process will be repeating how many times? N2 times. N2 is the number of values in the subarray.